Hey guys, welcome to the Laser Shot booth here at 2018 SHOT Show. Thank you for joining us at the Michel Steel Challenge Showdown. We did this at the NRA show just a few months ago. It was a pretty good success for us. We had a lot of fun doing it, and it's even more fun when I won. Although this year, I don't know if that's going to happen. We got a lot of dudes who've been training, a lot of guys who've been working hard, so I'm looking forward to kind of going over this with you guys. But this isn't just a challenge. This isn't just for us to have a good time. I also want to be able to give back to you guys. So when you come up here, please feel free to ask any questions of me that you may have, how I can maybe help out, and I might be asking some of you guys how you can help me out too. But the way this is going to work, you're going to come up, we're going to give you guys 4 runs at it. For the first 2 runs, you'll get your practices. Your last 2 runs will be for score. Whatever one's your best score out of those 2 will be your time. Now, whoever wins between this 12:30 to 1:30 time slot while I'm here today, whoever has the highest score is going to walk away with one of our Sim 17 pistols. So it pays for you to be here right now. Look, Maneki, another ringer just showed up. They're coming out of the woodwork, dude. Awesome. But no, guys, I'm excited for this opportunity. Laser Shot's excited for this opportunity, and it's going to be a blast. I've been shooting Steel Challenge since 2000, so I've been doing it for a little while. I'm very passionate about it, love what I do. Steel Challenge, in particular, is a great, fun event. But the actual stage that we have for you guys here today is Smoke and Hope. If you guys have shot Smoke and Hope before, you know that's the one that you can just run, have a good time, go fast, and but it's also easy to miss as well because of that. I currently own the world record on that stage of 6-point-something seconds. I can't remember quite exactly what it was, but I shot that with the SIG P320 pistol. So I'm very proud of that I was able to set a world record with a production style gun against all the race guns out there. So that was something I'm really proud of, and that's part of the reason why we use this particular stage, because I need an advantage as much as I can get. Good pickup, man. 228 with a pickup. There it is. 819.
819.
All right, so when I came up here earlier, Jared was practicing, and he said he don't even got to take his backpack off. He's been killing it all day, every day. So some of the scores I see him post has been pretty crazy. So I'm looking forward to seeing what he's going to run here. I feel for it. He's just warming up. He's a smart man. I can see what he's doing. Shove that right edge, upper right edge. There we go.
Oh, there you go. 193.
193. His first run was his throwaway, so he's still got a good chance here to get that 205 average. Oh, he knew he had to go back to target one, but couldn't get there. It's one of those things, the body's doing one thing and the brain's trying to register to tell it to do another. We watch so many sports I shoot within, but in the shooting sports you meet so many great people, and you typically get to know the same names over the years the longer you do it, but there's always people that you don't see behind the scenes working hard. Like dudes like this that can put up 1.8s, and guys that we saw earlier put up 1.8s and 1.7s and 1.9s and things like that. It's pretty incredible to see that how our sport is always evolving. And yeah, you know the names that you always hear on the TV shows and whatnot, and the winners that are out there. But there's guys who want to win just as bad. They put in just as much work to one day become that next top level shooter. So it's a lot of fun doing this and being able to see everybody kind of progress through the ranks. And here we go.
I have never seen that.
Dude, he's fast. That's incredible, man. If he connects on these 4 runs at some point, wow. I know it's going to be the hardest thing in the world for you to do on this last one. If you back it off 10%, you'll be 180s, 170s, and you'll go home with the prize. That's the hardest thing in the world to do, because I know you want to go what you're capable of, but you see things a little bit more clearly. He had another 160, 170 in the works there. We picked this stage, Smoke and Hope, because there's so much raw, aggressive speed in this stage. But the problem is there's so much raw, aggressive speed in this stage. And some of the greatest shooters in the world that I compete against, including myself, you know, we get into that box. And you're trying to do this in 1.6s, 1.7s, 1.8s. You're trying to break 2 seconds and trying to do it pretty well. And it's one of those that it can really get you. It really can. So typically, when you're on the range, you want to get a clean 4 shots as quickly as possible. When you get to that backstop plate, you give it a little bit more pause, get a little more clarity of that front sight before you get on that target. And it typically will help. But if you're just blazing through the white targets and you don't get on that red target, you don't get on the stop plate and give it a little bit more of a pause, it becomes difficult to hit on a consistent basis. Yeah, 202.
All right, let's see what the final verdict is.
It's tough, right?
It's not easy. What do you feel?
No, that's 4 already. 850.
Good run.
Good job.
Good. Yours positive.
Hey guys, thanks for coming out and being a part of the Max Michel Steel Challenge Championship here at the Shotshow booth 2018 Laser Shot. But our winner, there can only be one winner, and our winner has stuck around the whole time. He was one of the first ones to shoot with a 205 average and a total score of 8.19. Colby, come on up, man. Yeah, Colby. Great shooting, dude.
Thank you.
But your job's not done yet.
Oh boy.
All right, so what we're gonna do is here, because they're limited on time and we had a great crowd, everybody wanted to shoot, which was awesome. I appreciate everybody coming out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go head to head. I'm not gonna get a practice run.
right.
You're not gonna get a practice run.
Okay.
We're just gonna go and shoot.
All right.
Whoever wins Alan's $5.
All right. I'm good.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Anybody got a coin to see who goes first?
Heads.
Tails. All right, I'll go last. You go first.
All right. We just doing smoke and hope.
All right, here we go. The people's champ, Colby.
All right.
For those of you that don't know Colby, go check him out. But if you don't know him by now, you
Here it
probably
is.
know him. So
Main event.
he's one of the guys who's been killing it for a long time in the rimfire world. He's been coming into the center fire stuff and doing really well.
Oh my God. I'm gonna start by hitting place. Yeah.
I know he's better than that. We get one chance, Colby. That's
I
all
know.
we get.
All right.
Don't make it that easy on me.
All right.
Ah, target one. Oh, you were right there too. 232. Target two. Last run. Finish like the champ that you are, Colby. Let's go. Yeah.
Nice.
Great
Wow.
run. Great finish. Yeah. All right.
All right, Max is up next.
Whatever way you're going.
I didn't have any practice on this thing, so let me go ahead and start making some excuses right now. All right, we'll take it as the first one. Give me a chance, Colby. What I'm telling everybody, you go fast in the first one, you think you can go faster, and
I know. Yeah. I'm done.
All right.
I'm done going.
Oh, you might get. Let's see what happens, dude. Yeah, I had another 4 in there too.
Yeah, it's still, you're still gonna get me.
What did you have?
No, you beat me. Oh yeah, you got me like 2 seconds. Hey, that's making me comment. I want to try it. Oh yeah.
Hey Colby, thanks for coming out and being a part of this, man. You shot hard, you shot
thank you.
well, you dominated. And
Tried
in the
to.
heads-up battle, we both kind of left a little bit on the table there. But what did you think of the experience?
I thought it was fun, a little different than normal shooting, but I think it's going to be good practice. If I actually get one, I think it'd be good practice for the real match and stuff.
Yeah, Colby's been shooting for a while now. He's been killing, like I said, on the rimfire stuff, center fire stuff. He's doing it as well now. So we're going to do our very best to not get him a system because I need to feed my kids for a little bit longer. Yeah, no, it's great shooting.
Thank you.
We're going to present you with a Sim 17.
Awesome, thank you.
Here you go, brother.
Awesome, thank you.
Hey, I'm Max Michel. We just wrapped up the Max Michel Steel Challenge Championship here at the SHOT Show 2018. Everybody brought the competition. We had a great time. There's only one winner, Colby Pavlock, my man here. But listen, before you go, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys following. But make sure you see us in Dallas at the NRA show. We're going to try this again. And you can come challenge him or I. I'm Max Michel,
I'm Colby Pavlock.
and I train with Laser Shot.